I've built 2 six-figure Shopify stores from scratch over the last 2 years, and I can tell you from experience, a lot of the old ways that you would market your Shopify store won't really work in 2025. So in today's video, I'm going to cover what the 5 best ways are to promote your Shopify store this year and how to effectively use these strategies for your own store. But you definitely want to make sure that you watch the full video, because if you want to be a part of the top 1% of Shopify stores, they use all 5 strategies that I'm going to cover in this video. Now, what if I told you that this first strategy can turn your Shopify store into a money-making machine? And more than likely, you're already using this strategy, just not in the right way. Let me explain. In 2012, Melissa Butler started the lip bar right from her kitchen. She really wanted to disrupt the beauty industry with bold and inclusive lip colors. But after being rejected on Shark Tank and literally being called a colorful cockroach by Mr. Wonderful, you can say that things looked pretty bleak. Sales were slow and the odds were truthfully stacked against her. Melissa knew that she had a great product, but nobody was noticing her Shopify store. But one night, the key to success hit her. She realized that social media wasn't just a tool, it was her ticket to creating a movement with her brand. Melissa really leaned into her mission, telling her story through bold and unapologetic visuals and captions that really spoke to her audience. Instead of selling, Melissa really focused on building relationships. She spent a lot of time asking her customers what they wanted and tried to answer every single question that she got. So the result? In just a few years, the lip bar was able to go from a small Shopify store to a multi-million-dollar brand being sold in Targets across the country, all thanks to the power of social media marketing. So here is the lesson. Social media marketing can do wonders for driving traffic to your Shopify store, but only if you use it in the right way. You really want to heavily focus on trying to build community instead of just pushing your products onto your customers. You can do this by replying to every single comment that you get, asking for customers' feedback on your products, on your Instagram stories, celebrating your customers and sharing their photos. You can even post behind the scenes content so your customers feel like they're a part of your brand's journey. And truthfully, the list can go on and on. All these things really do help build a deeper connection with your brand and your audience. And remember, it's really the little things that most Shopify store owners won't do that can really make all the difference. And ultimately, all of these things result in additional sales. Now, this next strategy is one of my favorites and can be an absolute game changer when it comes to getting potential customers back to your Shopify store. When I first launched my Shopify store, I ran into this one big problem. I was able to get people to my Shopify store, but I was having a really big issue getting them to convert. At first, I really thought it was my website. So I tried to improve the layout of my Shopify store. I updated my product descriptions. I even went so far and hired a professional photographer to help me out with my product photos, but this didn't really move the needle. Frustrated, I went digging for answers. That's when I discovered that on average, over 70% of online shoppers abandon their cart. And if I wanted any chance of recovering them, I needed to have a strategy in place. And this is where email and SMS marketing really comes into play. Think of your email and SMS marketing like a coffee shop. And imagine your email marketing strategy as the entire coffee shop. A place where your customers can really settle in, browse your products, and where they can take their time reading your beautifully crafted emails where you share product updates and promotional offers. It's all about showcasing what your Shopify store is about and creating an inviting space that fosters connection and loyalty. Your SMS marketing, on the other hand, is the espresso shop. Quick, powerful, and straight to the point. This is where you deliver time-sensitive updates, last-minute deals, or urgent reminders that encourages your audience to act fast. Together, email and SMS marketing really create the perfect blend. Your emails build relationship, while your SMS delivers the kick that drives immediate action. Now, tactically, I like using OmniSend for my email marketing, and for SMS marketing, I like to use Postgres. You can use these softwares to create website pop-ups to collect your customers' info and abandoned cart sequences to help get your potential customers back to your Shopify store. And you can create any type of campaign that you need using these two apps. And if you need a full step-by-step tutorial, I've already created one and I'll link it in the description down below. At this point, I've shared two amazing strategies that can work really, really well together. But unfortunately, these strategies can take some time to start to see some really good results. So if you're looking to get your Shopify store in front of your ideal customer as fast as possible, you definitely want to use this next strategy. In 2013, two entrepreneurs, Jake and Kramer, had this idea. They wanted to make high quality, affordable watches for young professionals without the designer price tag. So they started movement from the ground up using Shopify to sell directly to their customers. But there was a catch. The watch market was really crowded and they needed a way to stand out. They knew that they needed more than just a good product, and they were trying to figure out a strategy to get the watches in the hands of thousands. Without the right visibility, they knew that their Shopify store was destined to fail. They had to figure out a way to target the right people at the right time. That's when they turned to paid ads on Facebook and Instagram. By targeting young, fashion-conscious professionals and using visually engaging ads, Movement was able to connect with the exact audience they needed. They didn't just sell watches, they sold a lifestyle, a story that really resonated with their audience. So the result? Rapid growth. By using targeted social ads, Movement was not only able to build awareness, but they was also able to turn these clicks into sales. They was able to turn their small Shopify store into a multi-million-dollar brand. If you want to grow your Shopify store as fast as possible, paid ads is really your secret weapon. It gives you the power to zoom in on the exact audience that is ready to buy. With paid ads, you can target people based on their interests, habits, and even what they were Googling just 5 minutes ago. Paid ads can definitely be a shortcut to the top when used correctly. But if your pockets are hurting and you don't have the ability to invest in paid ads right now, then I definitely recommend that you check out this next strategy. Meet Allbirds, a sustainable footwear brand born in 2016, with a mission to make shoes that are not only stylish, but also eco-friendly. Their shoes, made of merino wool, quickly captured the hearts of consumers looking for something better for the planet. When Allbirds launched, though, they faced the challenge of entering into a highly competitive footwear market. The key to standing out was making sure that when people searched for eco-friendly shoes or sustainable footwear, Allbirds appeared at the top of search results. They really dove deep into keyword research, targeting terms like best sustainable footwear and eco-friendly running shoes. They optimized every single page of their site, ensuring that they were easy to find and easy to navigate. But they didn't stop there. They launched a blog creating content around sustainability, the impact of fashion on the environment, and the benefits of merino wool. This not only boosted their SEO, but it also positioned them as leaders in the eco-conscious fashion space. Today, Allbirds is one of the most recognized eco-conscious shoe brands with a very loyal following. And it all started with the power of SEO. So you may be wondering, what is SEO? Well, SEO stands for search engine optimization. Now, the power of SEO really lies in the ability to drive free traffic to your Shopify store without heavily relying on paid ads. By optimizing your website for search engines, you increase your chances of ranking higher in search results when potential customers search for keywords related to your products or services. This means you're just putting your brand in front of people that are already interested in what you offer, leading to more qualified traffic, higher conversions, and better long-term growth. SEO also helps build trust and credibility, as sites that rank higher in search results are just overall seen as more trustworthy. Overall, SEO is a very cost-effective way to not only attract customers, but also retain them as well. However, this last strategy I want to share with you is critical, and it honestly makes every single strategy that I shared before even more effective. Now, meet Blue Apron, a meal delivery service that was launched in 2012 that really specialized in fresh ingredients and easy-to-follow recipes. In a market already crowded with big names like HelloFresh, they were really struggling to grab attention and to convince people to try their meal kits. Really needed a strategy to reach new customers quickly. They didn't have the funds to run traditional TV or magazine ads. That's when they decided to go all in on influencer and affiliate marketing. Blue Apron decided to partner with chefs, food bloggers, and even people with just big followings to try to get their meal kits in front of the right people. By providing these influencers with special discounts and affiliate links, Blue Apron was able to turn these people into brand ambassadors. These influencers posted authentic and relatable content, cooking with Blue Apron, sharing their own experiences with their followers. Each post was able to lead to real sales thanks to the affiliate links. By using this marketing strategy, Blue Apron was able to go from a very small startup to one of the largest meal kit delivery services in the entire country. Blue Apron was able to build an army of passionate brand advocates who were ready to tell their story at a moment's notice. So here's the lesson. When used together, influencer and affiliate marketing is a super powerful strategy. Influencers can build brand awareness and trust, while your affiliates drive real conversions. And yes, I know what you're thinking. An influencer can be an affiliate and an affiliate can be an influencer as long as you give your influencers an affiliate link. Now, when it comes to setting this up for your own Shopify store, one of my favorite softwares to do this is Promote. It easily allows you to sign up affiliates and influencers within minutes. Plus, it allows you to track your sales so you can see in real time what affiliate or influencer is really driving the most sales. And also, it allows you to automate your payouts to your affiliates as well. Overall, influencer and affiliate marketing is a really great way to really build brand awareness and drive sales without a lot of upfront cost, which honestly makes this marketing strategy for your Shopify store an absolute essential if you're looking to grow. At this point, you know the 5 best ways to advertise your Shopify store this year, but you still have one very big problem. None of these strategies that I share with you in this video will work if you don't fix this one problem. So click this video right here to figure out what this problem is and how to fix it.